welcome to Automotive. We've just taken this little cheapy Corsa in part exchange. I have put it on for a little bit more than scrap money. I think it's probably worth it. It's got 3 months MOT left until July. It's got a little bit of a ticky noise from the engine, but seems not in bad condition particularly. There's a few little marks and stuff on it. Has got a sports exhaust that was fitted by the old owner. It's only 1.2. It's sort of a good little first car for someone. Interior's not all too shabby either. It's done 117,000 miles, just under. Actually got a quarter of a tank of fuel as well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call back, or you can email me sales@hypermotive.co.uk.